ako magugulat kung doon papunta ang music scene. Na-meet ko din naman ng SB19 sa isang event and napakababait ng mga yun. No?
Ang gagaling.
Ang gagaling. Nagugulat ako eh. Unang-una,
Okay, 18. I'm pretty sure you guys have watched this video already, but the reason why I'm reacting and I'm uploading this video is I just want to show you guys how a legendary artist talking about SB19. I mean, look at this man, Glock 9. What an amazing human being he is, look.
Kasi kumakanta sila dun sa holding area namin eh. Sabi ko, ang gagaling, grabe. Grabe. I think, dun mo rin naman makikita na hindi mo pwedeng...
See, he's saying, I think that's where you can see that you can't fool a person.
Pwedeng pulaan ng isang tao na nag-prepare hanggang sa makakita siya ng opportunity para gamitin yung...
I think the subtitle is a bit wrong here, but I can understand what he's saying.
Preparation na yun. Hindi mo pwedeng pulaan yun eh. Walang pinagkaiba yan kay Manny Pacquiao eh. Na nag-train.
Yeah, you have to train and train hard to be a perfect artist or to be perfect at anything.
Na nag-train sobrang galing, pagpasok niya ng ring, knockout yung kalaban. Walang difference yan. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng pulaan yun. Hindi rin ako magugulat kung doon pumunta yung music scene dahil sobrang galing talaga.
SB19 is so good. They are absolutely amazing. They're legends, Filipino legends, SB19 members. But still, you know, they train before the performances. Like, I think how many times they have already, you know, danced 1,000 times to Gentho, yeah. But still, if they have any program tomorrow and if they want to perform Gentho, they will train the same Gentho dance moves today, and then they will perform tomorrow. Even though they're so good at these dance moves, you know, Gentho dance moves and Gentho dance challenge, still they will train and they will perform tomorrow.
Na starstruck ba sila sa'yo? Sigurado.
Nagpicturan kami. And I appreciate naman lagi yung ganyan. Lalo ko na-appreciate ang isang artist na alam kong pwedeng magyabang pero hindi nagyayabang. Doon, yun ang na-appreciate.